Hi developers, welcome to a new video. Now it's time to teach you audio and video files. We're going to start with the audio file. First, open a project in Visual Studio Code. I prepared the audio files and the video files, and I prepared also an image for as a thumbnail for my video. Okay, so after you open your HTML file, you're just gonna open it with the live, the go live. Okay, here, this is my file, and I'm gonna go back to Visual Studio Code. First, to make an audio file, we use the audio element, just like that. And the audio element is not ready yet. Now, you defined a audio element, or you defined the sound in your page. Now, you just have to add the sound. The sound is just right here in the audio folders. In the audios folder. Now, to access a folder in the same level, I have mentioned this before, you just have to write src / to access in the same level, and write the folder name, then your the file name or the sound. Then, when you open your document and you open the inspector, here you can see the audio file, but it's not showing up in the document. Why is that? Because you didn't tell the user or the browser that you have to show the controls of the audio. So to access that, you just have to write controls, and when you open again the document, and you can see the file or the audio just right like this. Okay, this is my audio. Now all you have to do is to learn a little bit of attributes I have prepared for you just right here. Okay, so the autoplay specifies the audio that it will start playing as soon as it's ready. Okay, and the controls we have mentioned before. Loop, it's the looping of the sound after it finishes and start over again. And the muted, it's muted by default. Okay, so what's the source element? The source element, it's not important anymore. It was used earlier when some browsers wasn't or didn't support the MP3 file, this file, or this type of sound files. Okay, so you have multiple types of sounds, but it's the same sound. Okay, so you have the same song, but it's with different extensions. Okay, so this is why we use the source attribute. We use it like this. Okay, the source, and here we'll write the src, maybe my sound .mp3, and we have another source that maybe this one is my sound.ogg. Okay, so the browsers that doesn't support MP3, you have also another the same file but with another extension. So this is why we used the source attribute before. Okay, so this is how to make an audio. But now let's use more attributes that's gonna help. We have the autoplay, which starts the sound automatically as it's ready, just like this. It starts, as you can see. I didn't click anything. Now we have the muted attribute, and it's muted by default. Now, when you use the loop attribute and you drag it till the last few seconds and it's done, it will start over again. Okay, so this is all about audio files. Now we're gonna learn about videos. Okay, now to make a video, all you need is the video attribute, or the video element, sorry, just like that. The difference between an element and an attribute, that the attribute is written inside the element. The element is this. Okay, this is called an element, this is called an attribute. Okay, so the video is similar to the audio file or the audio element, but there's more attributes, or there's more properties you can use. Okay, just the same thing. Sources, I'm gonna write access or get my video, just like this. Controls, same thing. Autoplay, mute, muted, and loop, just like that. And there is another attribute. Okay, let's just check our video in our document. It's just like this. What's too big? The size is too big. I want it to make it smaller, right? So here I'm just gonna write or use the width attribute, but it's only in the video element, not in the audio element. Okay, so maybe the width, we're gonna set it to 4 maybe 800 pixels, and the height 600 pixels. Okay, so now we made the video smaller. Now we're gonna learn how to add a poster like this image on the video while it's loading, or the user didn't open it yet. So this is why I'm gonna remove the autoplay attribute and add the poster attribute. All you need to add in the poster is the source of your video, the poster image. Okay, maybe it's in the same level of the my HTML file, so I'm just gonna write poster.jpg. Okay. Oh, forgot to tell you, the source attribute is also in the video here. Just to show you, we have a source. Okay, like this. We have my video.mp4 source, my video.ogg. Okay, so why this? Why we were doing this in the past? We did this because not all the browsers was supporting this extension, or wasn't supporting an extension on all the browsers. Okay, but now we don't need this. We just use the source attribute as an attribute, not an element. Okay. Now I'm gonna teach you something really interesting. This VTT file. What's a VTT file? A VTT file is a file that consists of three main parts. The VTT file is made for videos. Okay, it's the text that represents the text in video. Okay, so what does it consist of? Consists of the time to show the text in the video. It's just like the YouTube captions. Okay, the time and the text to be shown and optional, I'm gonna write in a new color, maybe red, pink, the style. Okay, so let's show you. First, we have to define that this is a VTT file. So first, just like the HTML file here, now we are defining that this file is an HTML file. So this is the defining. Now we have just to write web.vtt, all capital letters, and our time. Our time consists of 4 spaces, or 4 parts. First one is the hours. Second one is the minutes. Okay. The third part is the seconds, and the last part is the milliseconds. Now let's show you how it's written. First, you write your time just like that. Just like that. Okay? Maybe we're going to start from the beginning till maybe the end, or till the first 5 seconds of our video. It's written just like that. And then we write our text. Maybe welcome to my video. And then the styles. You can write a line, center, or whatever you want. Search it. Okay? Now, when we open our browser, and make sure that here, after you click this, oh, I forgot to add the track. Okay, so here you have to add the track element in here. Okay, and then you add the source of your VTT file. Okay, it's in the videos folder, and then it's just right there. And then when you open the browser and you click these 3 dots, you can see the captions are off. Just have to click it on, and then as you can see, it's just right there. And when the first 5 seconds is done, just gonna go away or disappear. Okay, so that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in more and more videos. Bye.